Here is the 2014 to 2018 Kia Forte. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the video. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Go ahead and pop the trunk. Now right there on the trunk there will be all these clips. See that one? You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, one that looks like this, to get it off. So press down on the outside part of the clip and then use the screwdriver to screw the middle part off. Just like that. Once it's off, you can just yank the entire clip off and then repeat the process for all the other clips over there. Keep all the clips safe. Now get a flathead screwdriver and put it in there and pry that cover off. Inside there you'll find two screws. Now get the Phillips head screwdriver again and get those two screws off. Oops, looks like I forgot to take one clip off. Once you do that, you can get the entire cover off. Now that gray bulb holder, that's the one for the inner tail light. You'll have to use two fingers to twist it left, loosen it, just like that, and it's loose. Now just get the entire bulb holder out. That's the bulb right there. To get it out, just push it down and then twist it left. Push it down, twist it left, and off it comes. Let's take a closer look at the bulb itself. It's got two filaments inside it. The bulb size is 1157. Again, 1157. Put the bulb in. When you're putting it in, if it doesn't go in like this, right, just stop, take it out, turn it around, and now put it in and try pushing it down. Now you should be able to push it down. So push it down, twist it right, lock it in place. Let's put the bulb holder back in the light. Now when you're doing so, you may have to sort of twist and turn around for a few seconds before the bulb holder just sort of drops in the light. When it drops in, there should be no gap over there. Yep, see, just like that. See, now it's in. At this point, all you have to do is just twist your right to lock it in place and you're done. When you're putting the clips back in, make sure the middle part of the clip is pulled out all the way, because otherwise you won't be able to squish the clip in. See those four edges? See how this sort of like threads out? You need to squish it together for it to go through the hole there. Put the cover on, just put that one clip on over there. Put the middle part of the clip in all the way. Repeat the process for the second one right there beside it, and then one on the top. With these three clips in place, the cover's not going to go anywhere now. Now we can work on the rest of them in peace. Put all the clips back on. Now let's get the two screws for that handle there. Put them on and tighten them on as well. Push this cover close, and that's pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found it useful.